What is up guys, Dan on this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add another account in Outlook Mail. So first you need to head over to Outlook Mail and then you need to log in with your account credentials. After that, when you're redirected to the home page, on the right side you will see a profile icon. Simply click on it once and then here you will see the option to sign in with a different account. Simply click on this and after that you need to enter the details of your new account that you want to add in your Outlook Mail, and then here this will redirect you to your sign in to your account page. From here you can just simply sign in with your new account. After that your new account will be added to your Outlook Mail. As you can see here on my profile, I have added two accounts I just showed you. Here these are the two email addresses that I have added in my Outlook Mail. So this is how you can add your new email in your Outlook Mail. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.